Hi guys, I'm back again with another video. Now this time we are going to test the MI noise cancelling Type C earphone on the MI A1. Now I've been getting a lot of requests for this. I know it's too late. People have been expecting me to come out with the results long back, but there's a problem. I'm not been able to finish the test because of the Oreo update. So after the Oreo update, there are a lot of problems that I'm facing with the MI noise cancelling headphones on the MI A1. So basically what's happening is any app that is using the mic on this headphone, that is causing the app to freeze, completely freeze. It will not work. So I'll show you what's happening. So it's okay if you're using YouTube, if you're watching videos, if you're listening to music, it's okay because at that time your mic is not used, only your earphone is used. So that time it works fine. But as soon as I put it in and use something like I'm using open camera, I open that and I try to start a recording and the recording freezes. So it does not start, nothing will happen. No matter how much time you wait, in the end it will just close off. So the only way it will work is if you remove the earphone, it starts working. So in case this is connected, as in you connect it back again and then maybe record and then you want to stop it, it'll stop. Now you start it again, it's frozen. So I have to remove the earphone, so I'm not able to record anything from this mic onto the MI A1. I'll show you other apps like regular sound recording apps. So I'll open up a sound recording app. I'll put this in and I'll try starting a recording. Now it shows that it's starting, but it will not start. Now I'll have to remove the earphone. As soon as I remove it, it starts. So this is the problem. Now this was not the case when I bought the phone. I was doing the testing initially and it was working fine. All this problem started after the Oreo update. So now the second update after the Oreo update where all the problems came in, there was a patch that was sent. I have already put that 5 days back, 4-5 days back. Now even after that, it's still not working. Now there is a problem with phone calls also. If you get a phone call while this is connected, you'll be able to pick the call, but you'll not be able to cut the call. As in, once you get the call, the earphone works fine, you'll be able to talk to the person. Once the call is over, you can press the cancel button, the red button, how many ever times, it will not go off. So the only way you can put it off is by removing the earphone. So it's not a problem with the earphone. I have tested it on this phone before, but it was working fine. There was nothing wrong with it. But now after the Oreo update, this is not working. Okay, so the conclusion is basically it's nothing wrong with the earphone. You can use it as a earphone. You can listen to music, watch videos, do everything. But wherever the mic is involved, it is freezing the apps. So that is a problem right now. It's not the problem of the phone, it's the problem of the OS, because it used to work before Oreo update. It used to work fine, there was no problem at all. Now it is causing a problem after the Oreo update. Maybe in further update it will be fixed. So if you have use for the mic, then I will not suggest you to buy it right now. I am testing it now. The second video that I'm going to do is I'm going to format this. I'm going to do a factory reset and then try to check if it works or not. And then we'll see if that fixes it or not. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment. And I'll see you again with another video. Bye-bye.